You made it! See those structures over there? That's a wind turbine farm. Wind turbines are large, environmentally friendly structures that produce power for us to use for all of our needs. Today, we'll see how these marvelous structures generate power. We might even control one ourselves. Let's take a closer look. Grand, isn't it? Wind turbines like this can be over 300 feet tall. A piece of machinery like this needs a lot of work to run properly. We need technicians to install and maintain the turbines, engineers to design them, and everyone in between to make sure the job gets done. Today, we'll be climbing up the tower like a technician might. Before we can start work, we need to put safety first. Grab this hard hat I brought along. Good work. This hard hat will keep our head safe from most hazards we'll experience today. Teleport onto the turbine door and we'll start climbing to the top. Great, we're inside of the turbine. First things first, we're going to climb up the tower to the top of the turbine. Teleport up to the ladder and we'll get clipped in. Wow, that sure is a long way up. We want to be safe in case we fall, so let's attach the ladder slider to the safety rail. Alrighty, safe and sound in case of accidents. Use your grip button and grab a ladder rung to start climbing. Good job. Keep climbing and I'll meet you at the top. Wow, we're pretty high up now, aren't we? Let's take a look around and learn about how this turbine works. These long, spinning arms are the wind blades. They capture wind and spin the generator. The generator is in this housing called the nacelle, which we are standing on top of. The generator converts the powerful movement of the blades into electrical power we can use. At a high level, it's really that simple. The wind blades spin, and the generator converts the mechanical energy into usable electricity. Let's get an idea of how far up we are. Move to the highlighted location near the edge of the roof. Look down through the viewfinder to see what 300 feet above the ground looks like. But mind the edge. Alright, now let's have some fun up here. It's time to take control of this thing. Teleport on over back to the center of the turbine. I've engineered this special device to control the orientation of the turbine. Grab the wheel to control the turbine. Try and face the front of the turbine towards the wind to maximize energy efficiency. In real life, turbines will turn to face the wind just like this. Now that we're controlling this turbine, let's see how much power we can generate in 1 minute. How many batteries can you fill up? Let's find out. Seconds left. Keep going. Incredible! You filled up all the batteries. We've managed to generate 2 months of power for one home. With all the turbines on this wind farm, just imagine the difference that will make over the years. There can be over 100 turbines on a wind farm, which can produce over 1.6 gigawatts of power. This is enough to power almost 500,000 homes. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned something about the world of wind energy. Exit through the portal to restart the experience.